William can read 480 words in 6 minutes. At this rate, how many words can he read in 4 minutes? So we'll start by writing down our rate, 480 words in 6 minutes. And we need to get that to 4 minutes. Now, there's not really something simple I can multiply or divide 6 by in order to get to 4. Remember that we don't add or subtract when we're working with fractions. So one thing I can do is I can simplify 480 down to something smaller so that then I can work with 4. And I do know that I could divide 6 out of both of those. 480 divided by 6 is going to be 80. So it's 80 words. Divided by 6 is 1. So 80 words in 1 minute. And then I can use that to figure out how many words he would then read in 4 minutes. 1 to 4, I'm going to multiply by 4 on the top and bottom. 1 times 4 is 4 minutes. 80 times 4 is going to be 320. So in 4 minutes, William can read 320 words in 4 minutes.